Today, we will be exploring black holes, what many consider one of the most fascinating things in our universe.
A black hole is a region of space where a great amount of matter is packed into a small area. The result is a gravitational field so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape.
When an extremely massive star comes to the end of its life, it collapses upon itself to form a black hole. The reason for this collapse is because the cores of these massive stars become unstable and pull all of its mass inwards. Everything in the core stays, while the outer layer of the star are thrown into space.
Most famously, black holes were predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, which showed that when a massive star dies, it leaves behind a small, dense remnant core. If the core's mass is more than about 3 times the mass of the Sun, the equation showed the force of gravity overwhelms all other forces and produces a black hole.
Primordial black holes, the smallest ones known, are said to be the size of a single atom and have the mass of a large mountain. Stellar black holes, the most common black hole, is considered a medium-sized black hole. These black holes can have a range of about 10 miles and masses 20 times larger than the Sun. Supermassive black holes, the largest of them, are found in the center of every galaxy. These black holes are about the size of the solar system and contain mass amounts of about 1 million suns.
Black holes can be pretty close to home. Sagittarius A is a massive black hole located at the galactic center of the Milky Way galaxy. It is near the border of the constellations Sagittarius and Scorpius. Sagittarius A is 25,000 light years away from Earth.
Scientists can calculate the mass of a supermassive black hole by the motion of the stars in the centers of galaxies. These motions hint a dark giant body of mass that can be calculated from the speed of the stars. The formula to calculate a supermassive black hole is R equals 3 times m. R represents the radius of the event horizon, and m stands for the mass of the black hole.
If an individual were to find themselves entering a black hole, their perception of space and time would change entirely. The immense gravity of the black hole would compress you horizontally and stretch you vertically. In short, your body would be entirely ripped to pieces.
Potentially the most talked about possibility of where a black hole could lead to is described as the wormhole idea. This explanation says that black holes could serve as wormholes, which for something to get sucked into one, it would lead to a totally different part of space, and end up in a very different part of the universe.
The event horizon is the part that we are capable of seeing from the outside. It appears as a black spherical surface with a sharp edge in space. The interior space is the region of the black hole where time and space can become horribly mangled, compressed, and stretched. Singularity is the place where matter is captured when it falls through the event horizon. Its location is found in the center of a black hole with enormous density.
The center of a black hole is called a singularity, where density and gravity become infinite and where the laws of physics as we know them cease to operate. The Big Bang, which is what formed our universe, came from one of these. When the Big Bang happened, in the first trillionth of a second, the universe expanded extremely fast, faster than the speed of light. This sounds very similar to the event horizon of a black hole, which is the area around it where the escape velocity of an object in it also exceeds the speed of light. So since our universe could have been formed by a black hole, are we still living in that same dimension of reality?
Black holes are known to be one of the most interesting and intriguing parts of our universe. We hope this video has brought you a better understanding of black holes, as well as how they operate and exist in our universe. Thank you for watching.